Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew from AR Media. In tonight's video, I want to go over some new equipment I got over the weekend. So I did an upgrade to my studio, so first let's go over the graphics card. So I got the Star Wars Limited Edition Jedi Order Titan XP. Now for those who don't know, that's a graphics card for my computer, which will allow for faster video editing and allow for 4K HDR gaming. And that's the main reason I got that. Now this beast is Star Wars designed and has a weathered look. And it looks almost like a lightsaber, and that's one of the main reasons I got it. Now, this is definitely a pricey graphics card, but you're going to need a very powerful graphics card to run that 4K HDR at 60 frames per second, and this is the card that does it. So far, my initial impressions have been amazing. I installed this on Thursday. I've been playing Destiny in 4K HDR, Call of Duty World War II, and both look absolutely phenomenal. I'll be doing a full video, though, on a 4K gaming review, as well as some videos on that in the future. Now the second upgrade I got was the monitor you see behind me. Now this is a 31.5 inch curved 1440p monitor. So this is basically between 1080p and between 4K. Now I was going to get a 4K monitor, but the only 4K monitors really available were 27 inches, and I figured 27 inches would make me have to reduce the scaling too much, and I don't really like how Windows handles scaling. I wanted something that would run at the native resolution. This 1440p is the perfect middle ground. It has 144 Hz refresh rate, so for any of you gamers out here, you'll know that's extremely fast refresh rate, so up to 144 frames per second and your screen will keep up, and so far the display has been phenomenal. Not only has the 1440p resolution blown my mind, but the 31.5 curved screen really immerses you into the games, and when editing videos and stuff like that, it's fantastic as well. Anyway guys, let me know down below if you have any questions on the two pieces of gear I just mentioned. I'll do a full review if you guys want, but I just wanted to let you guys know and keep you guys updated. Have a good night, guys.